In this tutorial, you will learn about the features and requirements of DisplayCast and how to use DisplayCast. Using DisplayCast gives you the ability to view information such as live stats and maps from all the devices connected to your Agfinity account in real time. Also, DisplayCast syncs all your displays in real time, eliminating unnecessary time spent entering configurations, field names, creating guidance lines, and other setup items. There are 4 things you need to begin using DisplayCast: an InCommand or InCommand Go display, an Agfinity Essentials license, a one-time DisplayCast unlock on each display, and internet connection. Before logging into Agfinity on each of the displays you wish to have connected to DisplayCast, it is recommended to clear up any non-essential information from those displays, such as old guidance lines, field names, and configurations that you no longer use. Go to Setup, then Console Setup. Then tap the Agfinity tab and ensure you are logged into Agfinity. If not, log in. To begin syncing information, go to the main menu in the top left corner. Then tap on DisplayCast. With Manual Only selected, tap the Sync button on the first display. Once the sync process is complete on the first display, follow those same steps on all other displays. After the initial sync is complete on all displays, you may want to change the sync type from Manual Only to On so that it happens automatically. Once the displays have all synced, when one display creates an event, all displays connected with DisplayCast will be able to load that same event and view current progress, previous events, as well as view summary information across each display. Growers and farm managers that are away from the field can use Agfinity to view live mapping of current operations in the field. On the mapping screen, you can see all the vehicles and devices that are in and around the field. 3 bubbles around the vehicle give quick information on it, such as operation, speed, and a stat specific to that operation. In the bottom right tile, tap on the DisplayCast icon to see more information about other vehicles and devices. You can see information such as operation, display name, product, and other stats pertaining to that operation. On Agfinity, you can view live maps and stats similar to what you see on the display. Check out the live maps and stats in Agfinity tutorial on the Ag Leader SMS Tutorials YouTube page. Now you know more about the features and requirements of DisplayCast and how to use DisplayCast. For more information on the setup and settings, please refer to the Operator's Manual on the Ag Leader Knowledgebase. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.